Dear students, today's session we are going to study how to make contour milling by using CNC Miller. The aim for this exercise is to machine a given workpiece for the given dimensions using contour milling. Now I am showing the workpiece which is fitted in the vise and the tool is fitted in the chuck. Okay. The CNC Miller. Okay. Already the programs are programmed. Okay. See. So the program was already programmed. That is a contour milling. That is a G17, G71, G90 and G94, 54. That is various parameters which is used to set the components. Then it is reached to the home position. That is T2, L90. Okay. Then the position of the tool. Then the position of cut is G code, G01 and Z1.5. So then the final position of the tool G00, Z100 and M9. Then M30 is the main program BN. Now I am going to show the G codes. These are the G codes, various functions. That is G0, this is rapid positioning, G1 linear interpolation. Like this it is listed. Then M code, it is miscellaneous codes. Here M0 is the program stop and M1 is the optional program stop and various M codes are showing. Then extra codes also showing, that is feed. F for feed, S for, suppose if it is mentioned F 0.1 means feed of 0.1 mm. Then S is the spindle speed, that is S500 means spindle speed of 500 RPM. Then T for tool selection, that is T1, T2, T3 like this. T1 for the first tool, T2 for the next tool like this. R is the arc radius, that is R 0.5 means arc radius of 0.5 mm. Okay, these are the various codes and the functions. See, the operation is going. The machining process is going on. Now I am showing the China Miller. See. This is the China Miller programmed one. Now you see the finished component. After stopping the machine, you see the finished component. Okay. So from this, what the result obtained means, the workpiece is machined as per the dimensions. Now I am going to show another contour milling program. See. It is the another contour milling program for different images or the drawings. See, it was shown here. So what result we have obtained means the workpiece is machined as per the dimensions. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you.